We offer a full range of services in Hopkins, which would include hoarding situations, biohazards maybe relating to death, suicides, homicides, or drug-related services. And in the past year, we have helped several customers with hoarding situations and death-related services. So the process starts when the customer calls our office and asks for help. We'll gather the information that they have at that time and then set up a time to meet them on the job site. When we're on the job site, we'll go over the scope of work. If we have to, we'll help them file an insurance claim. We try and always be on every job within 24 hours, sometimes a little sooner depending on what the situation calls for. The consequences for not hiring the proper company can lead to improper work being done. Unfortunately, it's fairly easy to call yourself a biohazard expert when the reality is a lot of the companies out there are fire and water restoration companies that do biohazard work on the side. We are full-time at Scene Clean. All the staff is full-time. All of our staff has third-party certifications. And so we like to think that when you call Scene Clean, you are calling and working with the best.